Hello, welcome back to Color and Canvas. As you can see on this video, we're kind of goofing around here with a used canvas that I scraped and those little wooden slats that they give you for the back of your canvas. I taped a whole bunch of those extra ones that I had together and thought that I would dip them into the paint on this painting and see if we could get a really interesting center going. Well, it was interesting, all right. Wasn't necessarily great, but it was interesting. But the process made me think that, there's nothing wrong with trying something completely weird because, many techniques were created by somebody who just said, what if? And, say what if sometimes with your paint. If it doesn't turn out great, scrape it and try again, or just keep working on it. Maybe something really good will turn out. I mean, who tapes together little extra pieces of wood and dips them, but why not? It might be good. So we're just drizzling a whole bunch of paint on here. The original thought here was to do a kind of an orange sunburst colored blowout from the center. And then that dip idea just came because I had the extra sticks from when I unwrapped the canvas originally. So here we go. So we're just going to add a bit more paint here, get a bit more color in with that white, and then dip our funny little tool that we created into the center, hoping to get a center design that's interesting looking and not blow out the paint right from the middle, kind of keep that little flower star shape. But it wasn't really distinct for whatever reason. It just, we tried something new. It doesn't look amazing. So, what do? You tilt, you try, you see if you can save it. I think in this case, just dipping that little tool one more time is the way to go. See if we can get a better design. And if not, you know what? Just blow out the paint, see what we have, and keep on going, right? Never quit. So let's just blow out this paint, see what kind of design we have. As you can see, that white really took over. There was far too much white paint. We needed more of the colors. So let's add more of the colors and blow it out for a really, really awesome finish to this painting. I love that middle part. That's fantastic. The rest of it is not so fantastic. Let's just give it a second try. Let's keep the fantastic part and add to it. that's bright and colorful and really cool. That I like. You can see little bits of gold throughout where it's kind of hung on. There isn't really any right here, but that's okay. That's really cool. And I'm really enjoying these pops of color throughout. That I really, really like. So that's something to keep in mind, because, you know, this was a one-time for me as well. I haven't done this kind of technique before. You guys have seen me do center blowouts before lots of times, but not with a little dip device, as I call it. We haven't done that before, and that really created a very interesting center, or at least the beginning of one. It gives you something different to work with. So let's set it aside to dry. I think it's going to be fantastic. I think it's going to be so bright with all that gold in the middle. I can't wait to see how it is. Anyways, thanks for watching, and thanks for indulging me, my bizarre little experiment here. And I'll show you a picture of the dried one at the end of the video. And yeah, I'm going to encourage you, as I always do, to go experiment. Get your paints out, have some fun, paint something, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.